guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Richie and I'm here to show you guys how to sell on Amazon. If it's your first time to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So last time I uploaded a video regarding how to choose product and how to know like what's the best product to sell. I see some of you guys have some question, so one of the question I wanted to talk about it is this question right here. All right guys, one of the comment I got is this comment. She said, what did you use to scan the books in Goodwill, and how do you make the decision on which book to purchase? So I basically said it on one of my previous videos, so maybe some of you guys didn't understand it. So the best way to know which book it's gonna sell and it's gonna sell well is by the sell link. The sell link is the only thing that's gonna tell you this book gonna sell or if it's not gonna sell. It's not about the cover of the book, it's not about the title, it's about the sell link. The sell link basically gonna tell you how many seller is selling this book, how much they going for on Amazon, and the person who's selling them FBM, how much they sell them, the person who's selling them through Amazon FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon. You guys gonna see how much they charging, and they gonna under the sell link, when you scan the book too, they gonna tell you how much the book is worth, like when it's a used book, and how much is it as a new book. What is a used book? You guys basically know a used book. You can find a book if you go on Amazon. When you list a product, it's gonna tell you is this book is new, is it acceptable, is it light new. So you guys gonna know if the book is new, there's no dirt, the cover it's all good, there is no highlighting, there is no writing inside the book, you can tell this book has a new. But if the book has highlighting or writing inside, so you can tell this book has a used but good. But if the book is like let's say the book doesn't have any highlighting or anything, but the cover is a little bit cricket, I believe you can sell this book like new, because there's nothing inside, so you can sell it like new. So let me get a book so I can show you guys how to do this. Okay, so I take two books so I can show you guys basically what is it. This book, it's essential biology, and I show you guys on my previous video the reason why I choose the book and how I got this book. I didn't get this book at Goodwill. It's not easy to get those books at Goodwill, but I told you guys how I got it. So let me show you guys how you're gonna know if this book is a good one. So first thing, you go on, like I told you guys need to download this app, the Amazon seller app. You guys can see it right here. Is it? Yes, right here, the little one right here, that's the Amazon seller app. So you guys need to install this app. So what you do, you can go under add a product. So I was telling you guys you have to go and scan the product. So what you do, you go under Amazon, and then you click on add a product, or you can click on the little corner, the camera corner, and then what you do, you scan the barcode. Okay, so when you scan the barcode, if you can see it say here the Campo is essential biology. It's gonna tell you the order of the book. The paper, it's gonna tell you what type of book is this book. This book is a paperback, so never sell like a paperback book as a hardcover book, because some customer gonna complain, they're gonna return the book, and you're gonna have trouble. You don't want to deal with that, so just sell it as it is. So so this book is a paperback book. So the hardcover, it's really strong. So you guys can see it on the screen recording. It says sell link, and the sell link it's 10197. This telling you how many seller this telling you how many seller is selling the book. No, this telling you how fast the book is selling. So if you go right here at the corner, before you go on sale, you can go on view offers. So you can see this book, it say it's a use acceptable, it's $77.14. That's how much a seller is selling it. This book is not new. So you can see like $79, $82, $90, $104. A lot of people, they charge different price based on how much they buy it and how much they take the book off. So it's basically up to them, but don't overcharge, because there is a competition on Amazon. The competition called buy box. So Amazon gonna give you, they're gonna take like if you're selling for $85, one is selling for $70, they're gonna understand the buy box and they're gonna share the sale. Maybe if one person is selling it for 104, the other person is selling for 102, Amazon can say the buy box is $100. So like the person who has, like, usually the person who has the lowest price sell them faster. But if you go under new, it's gonna say $143, $144, $199, $251. That's how much like people are selling this book. And in order to buy like a book under the sale rank, it has to be under 1 million. Anything under 1 million, it's gonna sell fast. If the product has a million selling, that doesn't mean this product not gonna sell. That's mean it's gonna take slower to sell. But if you're gonna make like a good profit on the book, you can take this book. And if the book has a lot of reviews, you can also take this book, because a lot of people are buying it, a lot of people are commenting how the book is good and whatever. So those type of book, you can get them. So that's basically it. Let me try for another book so I can show you guys. This book say it's all about, like, it's a medical book. So I was telling you guys, this book, it's a biology book, so I most likely sell like medical book. Like, it's for me. I think it's like it sell really fast. It's for me. If you wanna do it too, that's great. If you wanna take like I mean not medical book, but I most likely sell like school books. So it's the same thing. You just go on add a product, scan the book. Okay, what I wanted to show you guys, it's right here. When I scan the book, this book say restricted. So make sure you guys, when the book say restricted, don't get it, because you cannot sell this book. So you can see this book, it's $81.65 new. Most of the time, the reason the book is restricted is because Amazon see there is so many sellers selling this book, and sometimes Amazon is selling this book too, so they put the book as restricted. But if you go right here, that's another tip. If you scan the cover of the book, you're gonna find they create like a different template to sell this book, and you're gonna see the same book right here. But this book doesn't worth anything when it's new. I mean, when it's new, when it's not new. When it's new, it's like $81, but it does say restricted, so you cannot sell it. So I basically get this book so I can read it myself and whatever. So that's basically it for today. I hope you guys understand selling by now. And if you guys have any question, like I told you, comment down below. I'll pay attention to your comment. and hit me on Instagram. Don't be scared. I'll be answering all the questions. So I want you guys to succeed the same way I start feeling everything, the same way I start, like, the money start flowing onto my bank account with Amazon. I want you guys to do the same. But if you guys have any trouble regarding a product or creating your Amazon account, I can help you creating your Amazon account with a one-on-one Zoom meeting. But if you don't wanna, I mean, just in case, if you don't wanna put, or you don't wanna comment, or you don't wanna do whatever, we can schedule a time and I'll help you guys. So by now, I hope you guys understand selling, how to sell books, which books to pick, so you can be successful the same way other people are successful. You can do it too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below for any question. I'll see you guys on my next video.